The blessed month of Rabi-ul-Awwal has arrived, the month in which the greatest mercy to mankind, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, came into this world. This month is not only a time of celebration, but also a time of deep reflection upon his beautiful character, his boundless mercy, his unshakable patience, and his unconditional love for his ummah. The world was covered in darkness, injustice, and ignorance, but with the birth of Prophet Muhammad, light spread across the earth, hearts were awakened, and humanity was given hope. He taught us kindness when people were harsh, forgiveness when others sought revenge, and unity when the world was divided. He was a mercy not just for the Muslims, but for the entire creation. My dear brothers and sisters, if we truly claim to love the Prophet, then our love must be shown not only in our words, but also in our actions. Love means following his sunnah, walking on his path, spreading peace, speaking truth, respecting parents, helping the poor, showing mercy to children, and being just with everyone. This is the true way to honor the messenger. In this blessed month, increase your remembrance of Allah, send abundant salawat durud upon the Prophet, and bring his sunnah into your life. The best way to celebrate Rabi-ul-Awwal is to live by the teachings of the messenger and to spread his message of love and peace in the world. May Allah fill our hearts with true and sincere love for Rasulullah, guide us to act upon his sunnah, and grant us his intercession on the Day of Judgment. Ameen.